Grug see shiny coin on internet. Grug think Grug finally become rich man. Grug imagine big house. But Grug learn the hard way. Shiny coin sometimes not shiny. Sometimes it trap. Today Grug teach you the stages. The life cycle of crypto rug pull. Grug been through many. Grug expert now. Grug not proud. But Grug smart now. Sort of. Every rug pull same story. Same road. Same ending. But people always walk into it anyway. Grug break it down. Stage by stage. So you know fall for it. Or maybe you still fall for it. But informed this time. Let Grug begin the lesson. Stage 1. The idea. Every rug pull start with a website. Very shiny website. White paper look very professional. Very long. Many big words. Grug later find out ChatGPT write whole thing in 11 seconds. Developer literally type, write me crypto white paper. And boom. Revolutionary document born. Grug read white paper. Grug not understand half the words. But Grug impressed anyway. That's the trick. Websites say revolutionary AI-powered decentralized Web3 gaming Metaverse protocol on layer 2. Grug think, wait, what does that even mean? But then Grug see price go up later and Grug stop asking questions. Roadmap look beautiful. Phase 1 launch. Phase 2 partnership. Phase 3 world domination. Very detailed. Very fake. Founder anonymous, of course. No real name. No real face. Just a cartoon avatar and a Twitter handle. Profile picture either ape or anime girl or skull. Those the only 3 options for crypto founders apparently. Discord server opens. Very empty at first. Just founder and 3 bots saying welcome. Grug joined Discord early. Grug feel special. Grug think Grug discovered something before everyone else. Token logo looked like it made in Microsoft Paint in 4 minutes. But Grug think it charming. Smart contract not audited. But who care about audit when token go up right? Right. Grug think this one different. Grug always think this one different. Grug wrong every single time. Stage 2. Building hype. Telegram group start growing. 10 members become 100. 100 become 1,000. But wait. Grug noticed something weird. Everyone saying same thing at same time. Almost like robot. Because they are robot. Developer bought 1,000 bots to make Groupa look active. Very sad. Very effective. Then influencer tweet about it. Crypto Twitter influencer with anime profile picture and verified badge. What you don't see is the bag they got paid to tweet that. But Grug don't know that yet. Fake giveaway announced. Retweet follow tag 3 friends win 1 ETH. Nobody ever win 1 ETH. But Grug retweet anyway. Grug tag 3 friends. Grug annoy everyone. For nothing. As usual. Partnership announced. Big name crypto project working with this token. Very exciting. Completely made up. If you actually check, it's just 2 logos put next to each other in Canva. But nobody check. Checking is hard. Community grow. Everyone say we're early. We're so early. This is the one. Grug heard that before. Many time. Countdown begin. Launch in 3 days. Launch in 2 days. Launch tomorrow. Hype reach maximum level. Grug see token everywhere. On Twitter. On Telegram. On YouTube. On Discord. Grug think it must be real if everyone talking. That how marketing work. Repeat something enough time and brain believe it. Grug ready. Grug wallet ready. Grug finger hovering over buy button like predator waiting to strike. Stage 3. FOMO. Token launch. Price go up. Green candle. Green candle. More green candle. Grug check phone. Price already up 300%. Grug not buy yet. Grug feel something. Something bad. Twitter full of screenshot. Someone made 5x. Someone made 10x. Someone bought with lunch money now can buy restaurant. Grug look at own wallet. Empty. Grug feel left out. Grug feel stupid. Grug feel like missing the biggest opportunity of Grug's life. That feeling is FOMO. Fear of missing out. It powerful. It makes smart person do stupid thing. Grug buy in. Grug FOMO buy. Worst kind of buy. Grug buy at the top like absolute fool. Price keep going up. Everyone say this going to $1. This going to $10. This going to make us all rich. Grug calculate in head. If token go to $1, Grug can buy 10 houses. Grug already picking house color. Whole community in euphoria. Nobody selling. Everyone holding. Diamond hands they call it. Grug have diamond hands too. Grug hands actually just normal hands. But Grug pretend. Deep down Grug know. Something feel wrong. But green candle make brain stop working. Green candle very dangerous drug. The clock running, developer wallet getting fuller. But Grug not see that part. Stage 4. Peak delusion. This where it get ridiculous. Developer announce new feature every day. First NFT collection announced. 10,000 unique hand-drawn whatever. Grug look at them. Grug eyes hurt. They all look same to Grug. Just different hat. But community say this floor price going to 10 ETH. Grug believe. Then staking launch. Stake your token get 500% APY. Grug think that number seem unsustainable. Grug stake anyway. DAO governance announced. Community decide future. Very decentralized. Except developer owns 60% of token, so developer decide future. Then they say token now AI powered. Grug ask how. Nobody answer. Grug ask again. Grug get banned from Discord. Metaverse coming soon. Grug not know what Metaverse is, but Grug excited. Grug always excited when Grug should not be. Play to earn game coming. You play game, you earn token. Game never come, but promise keep price up for now. Then they announce own layer 2. Grug not even know what layer 2 is, but it sound good. Everything sound good when number go up. Partnership coming. Big partnership. Cannot announce yet. NDA. Grug hear NDA and Grug think, wow, professional. Developers say building, always building, but building what? Nobody know. Nobody ask. Asking mean you futter. So many buzzword. So many promise. Grug head spin, but Grug hold. Grug hold because green candle. Stage 5. The rug pull. It start with one red candle. Small one. Nobody worry. Then another red candle. Bigger. Then another. Then the floor fall out. While everyone holding developer quietly sell $8 million worth of token. One transaction. Gone. Liquidity pulled from pool. Just like that. The bucket empty. But community bucket still full of worthless token. Chart look like cliff. Straight down. 90%. 95%. 99%. Grug check phone. Grug portfolio. Grug not understand. Where money go? Whole Discord in panic. Everyone asking same question. What happening? Developer not answering. Dev. Dev what happening? Dev. Dev are you there? Dev please respond. Silence. Complete silence. Panic selling begin. Everyone try exit same door at same time. Door not big enough. Price crash more. Grug try sell. Slippage too high. Grug try again. Transaction fail. Grug try again. Nothing. Door locked. Grug later check and realize developer held 40% of supply. Grug call that fair launch. Grug very stupid. That why they call it rug pull. The rug literally pulled from under you. Grug on floor now. Grug not understand why floor cold. Token dead. Not sleeping. Not resting. Dead. 0.0001. Grug check again tomorrow just in case. Developer wallet trace to exchange. Cash out. Real money. Your money. Now their money. End of trail. Stage 6. Aftermath. The Copium phase. This where it gets psychological. And by psychological Grug means sad. Community say healthy correction. Grug think 99% drop not healthy. Grug think that called death. Diamond hands they say. We diamond hands. Grug think diamond hands just another word for cannot accept loss. Buy the dip they say. Grug buy the dip. Dip keep dipping. Keep. Grug keep buying. Grug eventually run out of money to be wrong with. Whales manipulating they say. It true but also not the point. The point is developer stole everything already. Developer Twitter deleted. Not suspended. Deleted. Manually. With intention. Takes effort to delete that fast. Discord server locked. Grug try type. Grug cannot type. Grug try read. Grug cannot read. Door closed. Telegram goes silent. Not quiet. Silent. Different thing. Quiet mean people not talking. Silent mean people gone. Website go offline. Server shut down. Domain expired maybe. Or just pulled. Everything gone. Poof. Founder leave one final message. Taking a mental health break. Grug think that bold. Steal money, then play victim. Mental health break means sipping cocktail on beach with your $8 million bag. Grug wish Grug have that kind of mental health. Community slowly die. Chat move from 100 message per minute to 1 message per hour to nothing. Grug sit alone. Grug think about what Grug did wrong. Grug think about all the sign Grug ignored. Every red flag was there. Anonymous founder, no audit, copied white paper, fake partnership, unrealistic APY. Grug saw every flag. Grug bought anyway. But Grug learn. Oh yes. Grug learned valuable lesson this time. For real this time. Rule 1. Check who building. Real name, real face, real history. Rule 2. Read smart contract. Or have someone smart read it. Rule 3. If white paper full of buzzword and no actual technical detail, it garbage. Rule 4. Anonymous founder equal risk. Rule 5. Never FOMO buy. If you missed it, you missed it. Another bus come. Rule 6. If APY make no sense, it's scam. Simple math. Grug walk away from scam token. Grug wiser now. Grug better. Grug evolved. Grug no longer a fool. Then Grug phone buzz. Grug look at phone. New token. AI powered. On layer 2. Pre-sale live. Early stage. Grug tell self no. Grug just made whole video about this. Grug know better. Grug not stupid. Grug buy anyway. This one different though. Grug can feel it. Don't be like Grug. Do your own research. Not financial advice. Just Grug's experience. Subscribe so Grug not alone in suffering. Bell icon so Grug can warn you next time. Maybe. Probably not. But subscribe anyway. Grug see shiny coin. Grug think Grug become rich. Grug wrong. Again.